friends, this is Savita. Welcome to your channel Learning Platform. In this video, we are going to now multiple choice question and answers about question tag and articles. Okay, here these are the very important to all competitive exams. Okay, yes, I am going to give one small introduction to question tag. Question tag means these are the small confirmation questions following statements. Okay, here some rules we should know. We should observe the tenses in the statement when we are going to make the question tag. Then when the statement is positive, we should make the question tag in negative form. Then statement in negative, we should make the question tag in positive form. Yes, come on, let's see some examples for this question tag. Yes, first one, I am not going to Bangalore. Here option A, am I. B, am I not. C, I am. D, aren't. Okay, sorry, aren't I. Yes, the answer is I am not going to Bangalore. Here I am not. Here this is negative form, so we should make the tag in positive, right? So that's why answer is am I. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ವುಡ್ ಐ. ಬಿ, ಓಂಟ್ ಐ. ಸಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಐ. ಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಐ. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಓಂಟ್ ಐ. Because here positive statement are here, so that's why the tag is negative. Won't I, will, won't I. Okay, yes. Next, third one, I am a teacher. Option A, amn't I. B, am I. C, am I. D, aren't I. The answer is aren't I. So observe this. Here I am a teacher. Am here, I am is the positive statement. So that's why when am comes, am ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು am and I ಅಂತ ಬಳಸಬಾರ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಆರ್ ಅಂಟ್ ಐ ಇದನ್ನ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ fourth one, he never loved his parents. Option A, hasn't he. B, is he. C, has she. D, has he. Okay, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆನ್ಸರು ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ನನ್ನದೇ ಚಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ರೋಡ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಆರಂಟ್ ದೇ. ಬಿ, ವಾಸಂಟ್ ದೇ. ಸಿ, isn't they. D, weren't they. Answer is A, aren't they. Aren't they. ದೇರ್ಗೆ ದೇ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸಿ, isn't it. D, is that. Yes, the answer is here the positive statement. Answer negative tag isn't it is the correct answer. Then seventh one, she looks really great. Option A, isn't she. B, doesn't she. C, wasn't she. D, does she. Yes, this is third person she looks. So that's why ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ doesn't she is the correct answer. Okay. Next 8th question. I do not eat bitter gourd. Option A, don't I? B, didn't I? C, do I? D, does I? Here the statement do not negative form, so tag should be in positive. So that's why the answer do I. Do I is the answer. 9th question. He can speak many languages. Option A, can he? B, could he? C, can't he? D, couldn't he? So the answer is can't he. Can't he the answer. Then 10th one. I have bought a new car. Option A, has I? B, hasn't I? C, haven't I? D, have I? See here the positive statement. We should write the negative tag. So that's why haven't I is the correct answer. Yes. Question mark should be compulsory, right? Then 11th one. Ramana eats cake. Option A, doesn't he? B, does he? C, does she? D, doesn't he? So here observe Ramana is a boy. That's why we should use he. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೇಮ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಪ್ರನೌನನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೀಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹಿ ರಮಣ ಹಿ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ರಮಣ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹೀನ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್. 12th one. ದ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ over there. The bus stops over there. The bus stop is over there. Okay. Option A, is it? But B, isn't it? C, is that? D, are that? The answer is isn't it. Isn't it? Is here. This is short form. Isn't it? Okay. Then the bus stop na navilli it ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರನೌನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಸ್ತು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. 13th one. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಬಿ, isn't it? ಸಿ, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್? ಡಿ, aren't it? Here the answer is it. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜಂಗಲ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ವಾಸ್ ಹಿ? ಬಿ, ವಾಸಂಟ್ ಹಿ? ಸಿ, ಈಸ್ ಹಿ? ಡಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ? ಸೊ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್? ಎಸ್, ಬಾಯ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾವು ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಸಂಟ್ ಹಿ. Thus positive, here negative. Wasn't he? Then 15th one. Martians won't land on Earth soon. Okay. Martians won't land on Earth soon. Option A, will they? B, will he? C, won't they? D, won't she? Martins means that is plural, so that's why we are using here will they. Will positive, won't ke positive yavadu? Will they. Okay. Next 16th one. Suresh bought a chocolate. Option A, did he? B, did she? C, didn't he? D, don't he? Here bought is ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಹಿ, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಹೀನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 17th question. ಐ ಲವ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಡೂ ಐ? ಬಿ, isn't I? ಸಿ, ಈಸ್ ಐ? ಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಐ? The answer is don't I. Okay. Don't I. Here love is verb, not reading. ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I love reading story books. Okay, love is the verb here, so that's why don't I. Okay, yes. Then 18th one, we mustn't say anything. Option A, must we? B, mustn't we? C, must he? D, do we? The option is yes. Option A is the answer. Must we? Okay. Then 19th one. Nobody went to the meeting. Here option A. Didn't they? B. Did they? C. Do they? D. Don't they? The answer is did they. Because of here nobody ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸುವ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ ನೋಬಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್? ಎಸ್. 20. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯು. B haven't you. C hadn't you. C D have you. Okay, the answer is hadn't you. Hadn't you. Then 21. Let's go home. Let's go home. Observe this. Option A, shall we? B, shall I? C, do we? D, shalln't we? So the answer is shall we. So let's go home. ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ shall ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. shall we ನ let's go home ಅಂದರೆ shall we. ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ 22nd one. I am late. Observe this one also, very important. Option A, am not I. B, isn't I. C, am I. D, aren't I. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಿಲ್ವಾ, ಆ್ಯಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅರಂಟ್ ಐನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರಂಟ್ ಐ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್. ದೆನ್ 23rd question. Peter writes you. Option A, doesn't he? B, does he? C, don't he? D, do he? The answer is doesn't he. See, Peter third person, that's why yes, writes ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಡಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೀ. ಪೀಟರ್ ಹೀನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 24th one. You were late. Option A, were you? B, wasn't you? C, weren't you? D, were I? So here is the answer. Weren't you? Yes, weren't you is the answer. Got this, all of you? Then next. Now we are going to know about articles. You know the articles? Articles are a and the. Two types of articles. I am going to give a small introduction about articles. Small definite article and indefinite article. The is the definite article and a and are the indefinite article. Okay. In the we are going to use articles with nouns. Okay, before the nouns. A and an represent one. Okay, one. Okay, a means one, and means one. Okay, a we use with the consonant sound, and we use with the vowel sounds. Remember this, not letter, sound is important. Then okay, the is the commonly using common nouns with the common nouns, and with the specific nouns, and with only one. So that likes nouns we can use the only. We can use the only. Okay, now come on, let's now some MCQs. Number 1, dog is dash most faithful animal to human being for dash long ago. Here option A, the, B, the, C, and the, D, the, and. Answer is the dog is the most faithful animal to human being for a long ago is the correct one. Okay, most faithful animal is specific. Okay, yes. Then second one, he eats dash ice creams sold by dash salesman. Option A, the and, B, the, C, and the, D, the. The answer is and the. He eats an ice cream sold by the salesman. Okay, yes. Third one, I had dash sandwich and dash apple for breakfast. Answer option A, and, B, C, the, D, the, The answer is option A, and. I had a sandwich and an apple for breakfast. Then fourth one, Ravi is dash intelligent boy. He is in dash public school. Here option and, B, and the, C, the, D, the, and. Okay, the answer is B, and the. Ravi is an intelligent boy. Because of here, an, intelligent, E is the vowel sound. So that's why. And we are using. Okay, he is in the public school. Okay, then fifth one, Sachin is dash Indian cricketer. He is dash shortest batsman in cricket. Option A, and the, B, and C, the, D, the. The answer is and the, because Sachin is an Indian cricketer. Here in E sound here, he is the shortest batsman in cricket. So the here because of superlative degree shortest irodrinda navu the use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then sixth one, she is dash school girl. In her free time, she works in dash blue stream factory. Option A, and, B, the, C, the, and, D, the. The answer is the. She is a school girl. In her free time, she works in the blue stream factory. Specific factory. That's why the. Here school sound consonant sound ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then seventh one, Raju is dash honest driver who takes school children to dash private school. Okay, here option A, the, B, the, and, C, and, D, and the. Yeah, the answer is the, Raju is the honest driver who takes school children to a private school. So here a honest driver ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವನನ್ನು ಹೂ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಏಯ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಐ ಸಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಂಟರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. Option A, and, B, the, and, C, and, the, D, and, The answer is the, and. I saw the bird which has an interesting voice. Here, particular specific bird which has interesting voice. So that's why the, and interesting E sound is here. So that's why and. Okay. Then ninth one, school students saw dash elephant while they were traveling in dash bus. The options are and, B, the, C, and the, D, and. So the answer is and the, because school students saw an elephant, A sound here, so that's why and. Then while they were traveling in the bus, okay, particular. Then 10th one, dash duck is dash bird. Option A, B, and, C, the, D, and the. The answer is A, A duck is a bird. Okay, very easy. Then 11th one, how far is dash sun away from dash earth? Okay, the options are the, a, b, a, the, c, a, and d, the. The answer is the. Here observe, how far is the sun? The is only one thing, the sun, away from the earth. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 12th one, dash as is dash animal. Option A and the, B the, a, C and D the and. Observe here, answer is and as is an animal. Okay, as means katte, donkey. A sound here also a sound, vowel sound ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ an ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, 13th one, dash umbrella is dash useful thing. Option A and the, B a and, C and a, D a the. The answer is C and a. Okay, see, observe, umbrella, a sound, a vowel sound is there, so that's why an umbrella is a useful thing. Here see, observe, very important this one. Here letter U, but sound not U, useful, Y sound is here, so that's why that is consonant, so that's why ನಾವು ಅನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, then 14th one, dash horse is dash noble animal. Option A the, B the, a, C and a, D and the. The answer is the. The horse is a noble animal. See, particular specific ಆಗಿ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಾನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೋಬಲ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 15th one, I caught dash fish in dash lake. Option A and, B the, a, C a the, D the and. The answer is C the. I caught a fish in the lake. The is specific, that's why the use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. lake, a fish. ಓಕೆ, ಎಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ 16th one, my mom is dash English teacher and my dad is dash doctor. Option A the, a, B and a, C a and, D a the. The answer is yes, correct, and my mom is an English teacher. Okay, e sound is here, the C, an English teacher, and my dad is D sound, the sound ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಾನ್ಸೊನೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಏನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. an English teacher, a doctor. Okay, then 17th one, this is dash picture of dash umbrella. Option A the, B the, a, C a and, D the and. The answer is a and. This is a picture of an umbrella. Got this? Very good. Then 18th one, there is dash bird on dash tree. Option A and, B the, a, C and the, D the. The answer is the. There is a bird on the tree. The is specific, ಬರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹ ಬರ್ಡ್, ಕಾನ್ಸೊನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 19th one, Ravi wants dash pair of jeans and Diya bought dash orange dress. Here option A and, B the, C the and, D a. The answer is and. See, Ravi wants a pair of jeans. Jeans ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು pair of jeans ಅಂದರೆ ಆ pair means ಆನೆ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ singular. Okay, then and Diya bought orange dress, an orange dress. Okay, a sound here, vowel sound, that's why an orange dress. Then 20th one, which is dash highest breeds in dash world? Option A, the, B, the, and C, the, D, and a. The answer is the. ಗಮನಿಸಿಲಿ, which is the highest breeds in the world. highest, this is superlative degree ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ದನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಯ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.